Make tacos. Tacos are great for feeding a crowd. They are easy to serve buffet style, and are always a hit with kids. You can adjust the ingredients used to suit the tastes of your audience, and easily make fewer or more tacos. This recipe should serve about 8 people. Step 1: Ingredients and supplies. 1 pound ground beef, 1 package flour tortillas or hard taco shells, 8 ounces cheddar cheese, 1 tomato, 1 bunch green onions, 1/2 head iceberg lettuce, 1 container salsa, 1 container guacamole, 1 can black sliced olives, 1 container sour cream, 1 package taco seasoning mix. Skillet baking sheet, small serving bowls, serving spoons. Step 2: Prepare the meat. Cook the ground beef in the skillet, and then drain the fat. Add a cup of water and the taco seasoning mix to the meat, and let it simmer while you prepare the rest of the taco fixings. Make sure that it does not get too dry, but if you make the toppings quickly, you may need to drain a little water at the end. If your meat is too soggy, it will soak through the taco shells, and the tacos will fall apart. Step 3: Heat the shells. If you are using soft taco shells, heat them in the oven on low heat for just a few minutes as you prepare the other ingredients. This is an optional step, but many people prefer them warmed, and it will be easier to fold them into a taco shape once they're warm. Step 4: Prepare the toppings. Grate the cheese, dice the tomato and chop the green onions. Shred the lettuce. Then place each ingredient into a separate bowl. Step 5: Arrange the buffet. Place each ingredient bowl on the buffet. Take the taco shells out of the oven and place them on a plate. Serve the ground beef in a separate bowl with a large spoon. Step 6: Enjoy. With the variety of ingredients, everyone's sure to find something they like. Other ingredients you might want to add to the buffet servings include refried beans, onions, or hot sauce. Of course, if your family does not like 1 or 2 of the ingredients, there's no reason to include them in the taco bar. The beauty of tacos is that you can substitute or change ingredients as you like, so tacos can please even the pickiest eaters.